Taxes, taxes, taxes. Hello, free thinkers and curiosity seekers. I am Mark from True Wealth and Knowledge, and today we're going to look at flat tax. Our current system is a progressive tax system, and we will look at the flat tax and see if it may be perhaps a better system for us to use here in the U.S. Okay, income tax, property tax, excise tax, food tax, service tax. You name it, there's a tax. Death tax, estate tax. Come on, there's tax after tax after tax. If you are sick of getting taxed to death by the government, as I am, then listen up. Do you know that prior to the ratification of the 16th Amendment in February of 1913, the government did not tax us to death. The government managed to get by on tariffs, like an import tax. We did not have all of this craziness going on. Yes, taxes do pay for those things that we need. The police, the military, fire department, our highways, our roads. But what is it that the government needs from us that they have to tax each of our dollars like 10 times? And without getting too controversial, our taxes also pay for foreign aid, entitlement programs, so many entitlement programs, in these mysterious black projects. What are these projects? There's really not a true accounting of where our money goes to. And yes, we love those programs, those tax credit programs, you know, the child tax credit and so on, that so many people get at the beginning of the year, and we're just looking for that extra money to come in to, you know, hey, look at all those dependents I have. But there are thousands and thousands of people getting money from us, from other people paying taxes, and they're not even working. Is there something fair or unfair about that? It's called a redistribution of wealth. Take from the rich, give to the poor. How about we keep what we work for? You know, they don't pay enough. Really? Who employs your lazy ass, if you're working anyway? And here's the deal in today's society, this entitlement society. Are people lazy? Greedy? They want more? They think they're entitled to everything? Yep, absolutely. And our current tax system is confusing, complicated, and run by the strong arm of the Internal Revenue Service, the Gestapo of the U.S. government. As of 2015, there were almost 900 forms, 900 tax forms, personal business, so on, that the IRS has for people to fill out, this, that, and the other thing. Anyway, it's confusing, it's complicated. People are paying hundreds, thousands of dollars a year to get their taxes done, their personal income taxes done. This is crazy. And this, just so they can be told how much more they have to hand over, how much of their hard-earned money they have to give to the government so the government can redistribute that wealth. Isn't it enough that each of our dollars is already taxed like 10 times? So how about a flat tax? Less confusing, less complicated. You're not going to lose sleep over it. It's simple. No more crazy forms. No more Gestapo IRS. And yes, by simplifying it, we do eliminate a lot of those tax credits, those deductions, those loopholes. But at the same time, we eliminate double taxation, which we are definitely the victims of. And according to the Heritage Foundation, a flat tax is, well, all the proposals anyway, have been a family-friendly tax, or family-friendly proposals that, for instance, a family of 4 would not actually start paying a tax until their annual income was at least $30,000. So, is it as easy as paying a percentage to the government? Say, okay, I make $50,000. I pay 10% tax. Okay, 10% of $50,000. I make $50 million. I pay 10%. Is it really that simple? Yes, it is. But well, if you listen to the special interest groups, it's definitely not that simple, because they're going to whine and cry. And special interest, they are looking out for those constituents of theirs, people they're backing in the government. They want it. No, they don't want to lose money. They definitely don't want to lose money. Our money. We're kind of enslaved to the government, aren't we? So if you really take a look at it, there are good points for flat tax. There are some good points against flat tax. I think for a whole, as a majority, a flat tax is definitely more fair. I mean, we get progressive tax, we got fair tax, we have flat tax. We're using the progressive tax system. I think flat tax is definitely more fair. You tell me what you think. And I think it's that people fear change. There's that entitlement mentality. I'm entitled. I'm entitled. Look at everybody else can work for me. Yeah, may it be unfair to say? I mean, you look around. Why is everybody arguing? Oh, this, that, I'm butthurt about this, or you owe me this, or I should be able to go here on your private property and just sit my butt down and you can't kick me out. Anyway, that's a Starbucks thing. You tell me what you think. Is fair tax flat tax fair? Should we be considering this more and more? Should those in the government, some of our politicians, those that we're voting for, should we look to those that are for flat tax? Or do you want to continue with the same current system, which taxes you over and over and over and over again? Leave a comment below. Let me know. Let's start a little conversation going here. Please subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up. Definitely comment below. What do you think? Progressive tax? Flat tax? I didn't really touch on fair tax, but if you want to, comment below. Thank you.